Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See, is Bangladesh this one? When Bangladesh is everybody in sitting in the room, in the world person, everyone sitting in the room, everybody scared is virus COVID-19. Everybody thinking he, when he die. Everybody thinking in the world, I think hangover lady. But inside lockdown, see Bangladesh, all body come out from room for charging food. Very sad. All person is garments workers in Bangladesh. Everybody garments workers. I don't know Bangladesh who take responsibility. If like that, more than 3 months is working like that. I think Bangladesh all body die. Map inside Bangladesh have. I think map inside also Bangladesh don't have like this. Get is Bangladesh. Ayyo, very sad, very sad. I am to asking international level Prime Minister, I am to asking WHO, World Health Organizations. Sir, please do something for Bangladesh people. We don't want to die, we want to live. Everybody like to live, everybody need to save life. Everybody want to live. But see, Bangladesh garments workers who take responsibility, them. I'm asking. Can you say something please? Who take responsibility them? If okay, garments open ready, I understand. But who take responsibility? Everybody said distance. 3 foot, 4 foot and distance for another person. See there. This one distance very sad. Bangladesh people illiterate. No understand. This COVID-19 is what? But WHO is no right. COVID-19 is what? If get 1%, everybody can attack this virus. Very sad, very sad. I don't want to say anything about Bangladesh. Please do something. My request this one international level Prime Minister. I request this one. If you love people, if you need to save people, please follow Bangladesh. Please follow Bangladesh. Please do something. Is Bangladesh more than 100 millions people? I don't know. 20 crores plus Bangladesh people. 20 crores. Please do something. I think Bangladesh is finished already now. Very sad, very sad. This one very sad. I humble request international level Prime Minister, other country. Bangladesh Prime Minister, I don't know why open this one. If open this one, can also open Moscow. 80% Muslims Bangladesh can open also Moscow, Masjid. Please this one also open give. Bangladesh people can pray, can die this one. Open please Masjid also open. Why then only lockdown Masjid? Masjid also can open, no problem. Very sad. Who take responsibility? Who take them responsibility? Bangladesh is illiterate people, no understand about COVID-19. Chi.
আমায় ফেলে মন ভেঙে গেলে জোড়ানি কত হলো পাই না তোমার ছবি বুকে ভেতর ডেকে রেখেছি ও সাথী তোমার ছবি বুকে ভেতর ডেকে রেখেছি একবার সে ভুল বুঝে চলে গেছো আমায় ফেলে একা কতদিন গত হলো পাই না তোমার দেখা সে থেকে আর এলে না বিধর বন করেছি সে থেকে আর এলে না বিধর বন করেছি একবার সে দেখে যা আমি কত সুখে আছি ও সাথী নিঃসঙ্গ জীবন আমার বন্দি প্রেমের জেলখানায় তোমার কথা ভাবতে ভাবতে সময় তো সাথী যায়